Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on OPPO A38. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. And the first one is on top of the screen, but that's the phone call speaker, so it might not work. And then we have the main speaker on the bottom. And as far as I checked, that's all. And now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, and if the sound is coming from both this speaker and this one, that's a stereo speakers. If not, then it's not. Let's try it out. And clearly the sound was coming only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.